Just put that over my head or something. Check it one more time. Much it's hot. Yep. You want to see silver all the way around. When in doubt, get a flashlight, but I got a pretty good light here. Yeah, we should be fine. Okay, we're going to let that cool for a second. What you want to do is wipe off any excess flux. Get that down on the pipe. That stuff, if you don't, it'll turn green here. That's not too nice. And last but not least, what I usually do is snug this meter. You got a point here and a point here. So what I do is grip the meter with one channel lock. Now I know we didn't mess with this one, but we're still going to snug it just in case. I know I got my wrench on backwards. That's because there's no room to work. Give it a little tweak. Now you don't want to tighten it so much that you hurt something. Remember, that's just a rubber gasket in that. Same thing for down here, except now we're reversed the other way. I'm going to hold the meter. I have to hold it up here because I don't have much room. Hold the meter. Damn it. Couple oomph. Alright guys, now what we'll do, we'll dry all this off. Make sure there's nothing obviously leaking. Get some of that excess flux off. Dry everything good. All the way down.
Open that back up. Tighten the pack in there. It's got a little handle. Handle's all wet. It's all wet.
Small channel. Now don't over tighten that packing nut. Make sure, check it by hand, and about a quarter turn. That's it. Yeah, some of these we take the handle off. There's a packing nut. We snug it if we're soldering, but this one don't have one. All right. Now another trick I'm going to show you guys real quick. You got to move for me. That's pretty critical that you do. All right, guys. What you want to do? Well, actually, I don't think we're going to turn this on. If we were normally going to turn this on, we got a couple spigots to replace. But what we do is open this all the way, and then while you're holding this, you tweak this a little bit clockwise towards the right while you're holding this tight. You don't want the stem to move while you're snugging that. And what that'll do is just squeeze that rubber around your stem, and this will be open. It's just sitting here like a dead dog. This is your new shutoff, off and on ball valve. But we're not going to go that far right now because we're moving on to the spigots. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys watching today, and hopefully this is helpful to you guys. If it was, I appreciate if you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.